Hi guys, this is the code walkthrough. So first of all, I import the time and the DJI Tello PY package. And the first block of code here is to create an instance of the Tello object, connect it, and launch the drone. And this is to print the battery level on the screen. And this is important because if the battery power is less than 50%, the flip maneuver will not be able to be executed. So I print the battery level on the screen. So over here, 100%. And this block of code here is to move the drone up, down, right, left, forward, and back by 100 cm and 30 cm respectively. And it will be followed by the flip maneuver, forward, back, right, and left. And finally, the drone will rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise by 360 degrees and 90 degrees respectively. And finally, the drone will land.